Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. But as we are discussing now the SAQ, and this is another SAQ from the solid state, that means explain the Schottky and the Frenkel defect and write the structures. This question they will ask only for 4 marks, because in the solid state the first SAQ mostly they are asking derive the Bragg equation, and second SAQ the most important one is Schottky and Frenkel defect. What is the Schottky defect and what is the Frenkel defect? I am going to explain you. And this is the part in the simplest way I'll explain it to score the 4 marks. But a Schottky defect, first of all we'll write here as a what is a Schottky defect and what is a Frenkel defect. Actually if you see now beta, these both are the point defect. So I should write it is a point defect, right? It is a point defect. But in this one, if you want to explain the Schottky defect, which is a point defect in which atom or ion is missing from its normal site, in which atom or ion is missing from its normal site, But it is a point defect in which the atom or the ion is missing from its normal site. Means, for example, I will show you one diagram better here. In this diagram, just see here. These are the ion: positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion, positive. Alternate arrangement. If this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. If this is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. If this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, right? But in this case, one of the ion is missing from its lattice point. Let us say one of the positive ion is missing, right? So in which the atom or the ion is missing from its normal site, that defect is called as a what? Schottky defect. But due to that, what happen? If one of the atom or ion is missing from its normal site, so what will happen in this defect? Density decreases. See better, in this defect what will happen? Density decreases, because if one of the atom or the ion is missing from its normal site, obviously better its density decreases. And examples of this one is the most important example which will occur in both Schottky and Frenkel, and that one is EGBr. But EGBr is one of the example we have, but other than that we can take NaCl, CaCl, sodium chloride, then cesium chloride. This is the one more example we can take. Means, what is that? Schottky defect can be seen in those ionic compound in which the cation is of larger size and anion is of smaller in size. We have to write so many points here, coordination, number and all, but this is a simple way. It is a point defect in which atom or ion is missing from its normal site. This is a diagram we have to show. Due to that, in this defect density decreases. An example is AgBr, NaCl, CaCl. Second one, Frenkel defect. So Frenkel defect means it is also the point defect. It is a point defect. In which, atom or ion is missing from its normal site and occupy the interstitial site. In which atom or ion is missing from its normal site, and occupies interstitial site. But what does it mean? I will show you this one with the diagram also. Frenkel defect diagram now here. See here. Positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion. But this positive means it will come as a negative, positive, negative, positive. Here what I is a positive, negative, positive, negative. Now what happened? This side is called as an interstitial site. This side is called as an interstitial site. Let us say one of the positive ion is missing from its this normal side, and this positive ion will come and occupy the interstitial site. This defect is called as a what? Frankel defect. Means we can say beta, in this defect, it is a Frankel. This one is a Schottky. So what we can say beta, in this defect, there is no change in density. But in this defect there is no change in density. And the base example of this Frankel defect also we can say ZNS and AGBR. Example beta of this one. AGBR is common and another one is ZNS, zinc sulfide. See beta, actually this answer we can write in a we can write so many points in that one. But I want simplest way, write the simple point to score the 4 marks. Here it is a point defect in which the atom or ion is missing from its normal side and it's due to that density decreases. Example, if you write all these 3 points, you will get 2 marks. Remaining, it is a point defect in which the atom or ion is missing from its normal side and occupy interstitial side. But this side is called as interstitial side. In this defect, there is no change in the density. Example, AGBR and ZNS. If you write here, again we will get 2 marks. So it is the simplest way to score the 4 marks. It's Schottky and Frankel defect. Right? Take a screenshot of this one, beta. So beta, this is the answer for the 4 marks. Explain the Schottky defect and the Frankel defect for 4 marks. Simple way. It is a point defect. See, it is a point defect in which the atom or ion is missing from its normal side. Due to the density of the lattice gate decreases. So I wrote in this defect density decreases. Example, AGBR, NaCl and CaCl. But a Frankel defect, it is a point defect in which the atom or ion is missing from its normal side and occupies interstitial side. See, very important. In this defect, there is no change in the density. Example, same beta, AGBR is a common example in both. Then ZNS, right? So this is the first SAQ part we did from our solid state. But our next SAQ we will do from the electrochemistry. That is, state and explain the Nernst equation with the help of a metallic electrode. That one I will explain you, right? Yes, but our next question now from our electrochemistry part. That is, state this question I am going to discuss from the electrochemistry beta. State and explain the Nernst equation. State and explain the Nernst equation with the help of metallic electrode and non-metallic electrode. So first of all, you should write here what is the Nernst equation. But what is the Nernst equation? What is the Nernst equation? You know, it is an equation which gives a relationship between, it is an equation which gives a relationship between capital E and C. What is a capital C, beta? Capital E is called as a electrode potential. It gives the relation between E and C. That is, E is the electrode potential. E is the electrode potential. That is E. And C, beta, C called as a concentration of ions. That is C in half cell. So once again, beta, what is the Nernst equation? It is the equation which gives the relation between capital E and capital C. What is the capital E called as a electrode potential and capital C called as a concentration of ions in half cell, E and C. That gives relation. This is the Nernst equation. But how to write the Nernst equation? So E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log to the base 10 concentration of product. Do you know? But anything which one we are writing in the square bracket is called as a product. Concentration of product by concentration of the reactant. See, this is the Nernst equation. E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF into log to the base 10 concentration of product by concentration of reactant. But in this one, what is the E naught? If they ask you what is the E naught, that will be called as a standard electrode potential. And you know this standard electrode potential at room temperature. Do you know? In physical chemistry में room temperature we are considering only 25 degree centigrade. What is it beta? N is the number of electrons involved. Number of electrons involved in the reaction. N is the number of electrons involved in the reaction. Beta, what is the R? R is called as a universal gas constant. R is called as a what? Universal gas constant. See beta, this question they are asking for 4 marks. Up to here if you will write, you will get 2 marks. What is that? What is the Nernst equation? It is the equation which gives the relation between E and C. What is the E? Electrode potential. C, concentration of ion in the half cell. Formula E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of product by reactant. What is the E naught? Standard electrode potential at 25. What is the N? Number of electrons involved in the reaction. And R is universal gas constant. Now they are asking with the help of metallic and non-metallic electrode. So both the reactions we are writing. What is it for metal electrode beta? For one reaction we will write or one equation we will write for metal electrode and one more we will write for non-metal electrode. But a metal and non-metal electrode if you will write, you will get another 2 marks. For writing up to here we will get 2 marks, and for writing these and these 1 plus 1 2 marks we will get the 4 marks. What is this metal electrode? You know, E is equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log to the base 10 concentration of C. But from where we got this value 0.05, you know, 2.303 into R, temperature 25 degrees centigrade means 273 Kelvin. F is a Faraday, 96,500. By substituting all the value, I got 0.059 by N. If it is a non-metal, sir, that is E equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N into log C. Right beta, up to here if you write, we will get the 4 marks. Is it clear? First one, what is the Nernst equation? What is the Nernst equation beta? It is an equation which gives the relation between capital E and capital C. Repeat with me beta. What is the Nernst equation? It is the equation which gives relation between capital E and capital C. What is the capital E? Capital E called as the electrode potential and C concentration of ion, right, in half cell. How to write the Nernst equation? E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of product by reactant. What is the E naught value? R and N we wrote here. But a metal ke liye plus. Substituting all the values 0.059 by N into log C. But a non-metal ke liye minus. Everything is same, plus become minus. So till now we covered beta how many? 2 SAQ. One is explain the Schottky defect and Frenkel defect with the diagram. Another one is that state and explain the Nernst equation with the help of metallic electrode and non-metallic electrode. I hope these 2 SAQ will help you better, and definitely from these two, both are the most important SAQs from this chapter. One is from the solid state and other is from the electrochemistry. So what is the Schottky defect beta? It is a point defect in Schottky. It is a point defect in which atom or ion is missing from its normal site, right beta? And due to that, density of the lattice get decreases. Example AgBr, NaCl, CsCl. What is the Frenkel defect? It is a point defect in which atom or ion is missing from its normal site. Actually cation will miss and it will occupy the interstitial site, are called as a Frenkel defect. Due to that, there will be no change in the density. Example common beta, AgBr is so common, and one more we wrote as a ZNS, right? Another one, what is the state, or we can say state and explain the Nernst equation. It is the equation which gives the relation between capital E and capital C, that is electrode potential E and concentration of the ions, that is C, in the half cell. How to write the Nernst equation? E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF into log concentration of product by concentration of reactant. What is the E naught? What is the N? What is the R? We wrote here. Then beta metal electrode की value and non-metal electrode की value. Metal के लिए what we can say? E is equal to E naught. See beta metal के लिए plus and non-metal के लिए minus. E is equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log C. Non-metal E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N into log C. Right? Once you see this one, till now beta we covered how many? 2 SAQs, and these both SAQs are very very important SAQs in exam point of view as well as only beta in exam point of view, right? So beta, if you like my work, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and if possible try to share these videos for more number of students, that it will definitely help for the other students also. Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.